Today I'm going to be making rice shokupan. I have already shown you how to make rice shokupan, but the recipe is based on a specific kind of rice flour called Mizuho Chikara. I have so many questions about Mizuho Chikara, so I sent them an email for inquiries if they have business overseas or if they can ship for orders. The answer was no, so I tried to improve the recipe to make it doable with regular rice flour. Put cooked rice into a blender. It should be warm. I'm using a leftover rice from yesterday and reheat it in the microwave until warm to the touch. Add hot water and blend until smooth. Be careful to release the steam inside. It might be splashing all over, so turn on and off at the beginning. Scrape down the side occasionally. When you use hot rice and hot water, you can make the sticky paste. Rice flour has no gluten, so the binding ingredients should be added to make it fluffy. So I add cooked rice to bind it together. This is the crucial point of this recipe, so use warm rice and hot water. The sticky paste holds everything together. When it looks like this, add room temperature water and continue blending until smooth. Add salt and sugar and vegetable oil. Blend until evenly mixed. And before adding the yeast, let's check the temperature. It should not be too high because the yeast might be killed. It was 35 degrees Celsius, so let's add yeast. Blend until evenly mixed and add in 1/3 of the rice flour. Blend until smooth and take it out into a bowl. Add the rest of the rice flour and mix until smooth. The batter should look like this. The consistency is a thick paste. Transfer to a parchment paper-lined shokupan mold. Smooth the surface with moistened spatula. Cover with plastic and let it rise at a warm place for about 1 hour. For this recipe, you don't have to ferment twice. It doesn't have a gluten structure to hold the gas, so we are going to bake this shokupan with one fermentation process. It rises almost double in volume. Spray water all over the surface. Let's bake it with cold start method as always. And pop in 120 degrees oven and reset the oven to 190 degrees Celsius and cook 40 minutes in total. And it's done. It's not a good looking shokupan, but the taste is so good. I was worried about the texture, if it had a mochi-like texture, but it's almost like dense focaccia. We can find some rice flour products that are gluten added to make the bread, but what's the point of adding gluten? Because the people who want to eat rice shokupan are supposed to be on a gluten-free diet. And it makes a good toast. I applied soy butter and it was so delicious. Outside is crispy and the inside is so moist. Share the recipe with your friends and families on a gluten-free diet. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And go to my website for more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!